Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Roborock S4 Max offers improved performance over the original S4 in a robot designed exclusively for vacuuming. Is it worth the price? Let's go ahead and find out now. Let's start with our cleaning performance test for the S4 Max. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum against 4 different debris types and against 3 different floor types. Overall, the Roborock S4 Max did well, with a total score of 95.7%. On hardwood flooring, the S4 Max was able to clean up 99% of debris. It left a small amount of sugar, but not enough to measure on our digital scale. For low-pile carpet, the S4 Max captured 91.5% of debris. This was less than we expected, as our test of the original S4 was able to remove 93% of debris. It's unclear why the S4 Max and S4 aren't able to clean low-pile carpets as well as high-pile carpets, but it may be due to the increased level of suction seal possible when cleaning a physically taller and denser carpet. For high-pile carpet, the S4 Max made an audible switch into max mode thanks to the auto-sensing suction power adjustment feature. It was able to clean up 96.5% of the debris on high carpet. Again, the debris left behind was mostly fine granules of sugar and kitty litter deep in the carpet. Next, let's take a look at the design of the S4 Max. The S4 Max has a sleeker and simpler design compared to the S4. It is a matte black aesthetic with black controls. The laser navigation center is located toward the center of the vacuum with 2 control buttons, start and home. Additional controls are accessible through the Roborock app, where users can schedule cleanings, view digital map reports, and check maintenance suggestions. The underside of the S4 Max features the spiral brush roll with hybrid design of rubberized paddles and stiff bristles. The brush roll adapts its height to match the flooring type to improve performance. The 3 wheels on the S4 Max are upgraded compared to the original S4, allowing for higher obstacle clearance. The spinning side brush is able to sweep debris from edges and corners. And the S4 Max features Roborock's laser-based navigation via the hardware on top of the robot. The Roborock S4 Max is the same size as the original S4. It measures 13.8 inches in diameter and 3.5 inches tall and weighs 8 pounds. Included with the S4 Max are several essential parts and tools. It comes with a spiral brush roll, dustbin, and HEPA filter as part of the main unit. It also includes a charging station and cleaning tool. Unlike the Roborock S5 and S6 and their Max variants, the S4 and S4 Max do not include mopping accessories and cannot mop. As far as usability and navigation goes, the S4 Max is easy, convenient, and quite frankly, impressive. There are 4 main cleaning modes on the Roborock S4 Max: Quiet, Balanced, Turbo, and Max. Users can select which mode best suits their needs. The S4 Max cleans by starting with the edges of the room, then continuing to the rest of the room in a pattern of straight lines. For navigation, the S4 Max uses its onboard laser hardware to scan the room and map out the dimensions. Once it has mapped out your home, it can automatically recognize different levels of a home or individual rooms. The Roborock app can be linked to the Roborock S4 Max so it can be controlled with a smartphone. The app allows users to start and stop a cleaning cycle, send the robot back to the charging base, view digital maps, draw no-go lines for custom boundary cleaning, and establish zones in the room. The no-go lines are particularly useful because they allow users to designate areas they don't want the robot to get near. These can be drawn on the map either as a line or a boxed area. The battery is already able to run for up to 150 minutes and even longer thanks to recharge and resume. During a cleaning cycle, if the S4 Max's battery is running low, it will return to the charging base and recharge, then return where it left off to complete the cleaning. The S4 Max also includes the auto-sensing floor detection feature. It adjusts its suction power and brush roll height depending on the floor surface, making it more effective at cleaning many different flooring types. As for maintenance, the Roborock app makes it easy to keep the S4 Max running. The app monitors the lifespan of the individual parts and can recommend when you should change out filters, brushes, and other parts. You will need to regularly empty the dustbin after each cleaning cycle. You will also need to occasionally wash the dustbin and HEPA filter. Quick note, we've been getting way too many likes, way too many subscriptions, and way too many comments, so I need you guys all to pull that back. We just, no likes, no comments on this video, no retweets, no subscribes. Stop. So, is the Roborock S4 Max a good value? Overall, the S4 Max is a quality robot vacuum. In most cases, it's a notable step up from the standard S4. I recommend the S4 Max if you want advanced navigation. It has excellent digital mapping capabilities, and it can map multiple levels of your home. In addition, it can be set up with different zones, and spaces can be designated as no-go zones. I also recommend the S4 Max if you want a long runtime. It can run for up to 150 minutes and even longer thanks to the recharge and resume feature that allows it to drive itself back to the base, recharge, and return to clean where it left off. And finally, I recommend the S4 Max if you want the auto-sensing floor detection. It will automatically change suction power and brush roll height to accommodate different floor surfaces. This is another feature that makes the S4 Max more advanced than other Roborock models. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Roborock vacuum? We'd love to hear what you think about it. If you're interested in purchasing the Roborock S4 Max, be sure to check the link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. So, nope, that's it. So, is the Roborock S4 Max a good value?